Hello friends, welcome to Cuisine Treasure by Sonam. Today I'm going to show you how to make whole wheat burger buns. So for this recipe we need 2 cups of atta, 1 tablespoon yeast, 2 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon milk powder. This is completely optional, but if you have, you must add it. 1/4 cup of oil and 1 cup of buttermilk. So if you don't have buttermilk, you can also curdle your milk. Just take 1 cup of milk and add one lemon into it, and that's your curdled milk ready. Now in a large bowl, first add atta. Now on one side add yeast and sugar, and to the other side add salt. Never add salt directly on yeast, that will kill the yeast. Now add milk powder and just mix everything. Now make a well in the center and add oil. And now add buttermilk slowly in batches, and we have to make a very soft dough out of it. It should be softer than the dough you make for rotis. So just mix it lightly and add more buttermilk. So I've already added 1 cup, but it's a little dry, so I'm adding more buttermilk into it. So now you can see it's a little sticky. So now this is the time, just take it out on your kitchen platform, and we have to knead it for 6 to 7 minutes so as to release all the gluten. So just sprinkle some atta on your kitchen platform and now start kneading it. So don't worry if it is sticky, no need to add more flour. If it is sticky, then only our burgers will come out very soft. Just knead it like this. So now it's been 1 minute. Now add butter into it and just knead it very well. So now it's been 7 to 8 minutes, and you can see it has taken a shape of dough. It should be soft like this. And now just make a ball. So now take the ball again, add into it, and just apply some oil, little oil, and just cover it so that it will not stick to the ball. And also brush with some water so that outer will not get dried. And now we have to keep it on rest for around 1 to 1.5 hours so that the yeast will ferment. So what we have to do, if you have a cling wrap, just wrap it from the upper side, and if you don't have a cling wrap, just put a plate on it and keep it somewhere inside microwave or in any warm place. So it's been 1.5 hours, and you can see how beautifully the dough has risen now. So just take out the cling wrap, sprinkle some flour, and just press it with your fingers. So we have to release all the air. Now we have to knead it once again. So again sprinkle some flour on the kitchen top and just knead it once again to release the air. Knead it very gently with soft hands. So you can see now it's not sticking. Just knead for 50 to 60 seconds. So now the dough is ready. Now we have to make a flat ball just like the pizza base, and then we will cut equal portions. So now take one cutter and just divide it into equal portions. So now I have made 7 portions out of that dough, and we have to make a round ball just like a burger. Please see to it that there should not be any cracks on the upper side. So just fold it like this and make a round shape. So now you can see this is ready. So just like this I'll make all the portions. So now I have made all the burger balls, and just take a baking dish and put a parchment paper or a butter paper on it. So now we have to keep it aside for another 1 hour, and just cover it with a wet cloth, and again keep it in microwave or any warm place. So now it's been 1 hour, and you can see all the buns have puffed up so nicely. So now apply some milk on the top. And next we will add some sesame seeds, that is til. It looks very beautiful on the burger buns. And now it's time to bake it in microwave at convection mode for 20 minutes at 200 degree centigrade, and please preheat your microwave before baking. So after 20 minutes the buns are fully baked. So now we have to brush them with some butter. So now cover it with a damp cloth and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes so that they will get cooled down, and then we will remove from this baking dish. After 10 minutes I have removed the baking paper. So now they are completely cool. See, I'll show you how soft they are. Very soft. And also I'll cut from the center. See how soft they are. So now these are ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and share my page.